How to get started in cryptocurrency. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get started on cryptocurrency, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically get started in cryptocurrency, it is basically called trading, and to trade there are many trading platforms out there. You can use Binance, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use Coinbase, you can use Robinhood, etc, etc. There are simply so many options out there. Depending on which one you trust and prefer, you can use that one. For the sake of this video, I'm going to actually use Coinbase. Doesn't mean you have to use Coinbase only. There are many fantastic wallet applications out there, so you can open up Coinbase assuming that you want to get started in cryptocurrency. Fundamentals are you need to trade. Trading means buying and selling. You buy a certain crypto at a low amount of price and hoping that the value increases tomorrow. Let's say a week later or a month later, you can choose to basically sell them. So you can just go to the trade option. Here you can see the buy option here, and once you buy a certain amount of, let's say, cryptocurrency, once you do that, you can choose to sell, and this way you can get started in cryptocurrencies. And if you want to learn more tutorials, we also have a dedicated playlist for this. Throughout the channel you can check out all of those. So hope this video helped you as to how you can get started in cryptocurrency. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.